You ever get on Loom and you're recording a Teching You Out video and you forget what you got on for? You forgot what you were recording? That would be me. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to embed an image or video or whatever into either your Squarespace website or any other website that you may have, even WordPress as well, but also where you can embed it into your email campaigns so that you can have a movable image, a video, and audio, anything that you may use to kind of get your message across in just a unique and different type of way. So stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of my series, Teching You Out. My name is Khloé George. I am a creative entrepreneur, friends lover, interior designer, lover of all things tech and digital, but most importantly, your new biz BFF. In this series, I will walk you through the ins and outs of the tech software you will need to automate, organize, and elevate your biz so you can get back to doing the things you love most, which is creating. So make sure to check it out. So what I'm going to show you today is how to embed an image into your website or your email platform. So basically, what is an embedded image? Embedded images are images that can be integrated directly into the email source code or on your website, as Squarespace does so nicely. Embedded images do not need to be downloaded by the recipient. They are shown directly in the email program or website that you are embedding them into. So why would you use this? So embedded content appears as part of a post and supplies a visual element that encourages increased click-through and engagement. So embedding refers to the integration of links, images, videos, GIFs, and other content into social media posts or other web media. So having this on your website or even in your email campaign adds a touch of element that you couldn't necessarily do within your email platform. So for example, a lot of GIFs are not able to be uploaded to different email platforms. So this allows you to do that. And you can do that right on Canva. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. We're going to start by creating a design. I'm going to pick an Instagram post because it gives me this very square shaped for no other reason other than that. So I'm going to start with that. And I'm going to pick anything. So let's just say I want this and I want to embed this into my, let's say, email planner. I'm going to choose, let's actually do, so I'm not going to sit here and necessarily design this. I just want you to see how this is entered into your website or your email campaign as code. So in Canva, you're going to go up to these three little dots here. You are going to click on See All under the Share section, and you're going to scroll down to Embed. Once you embed, Canva will tell you, embed your design on Medium, WordPress, or your own website. It will always update automatically, and I'll show you what updating will look like. So I'm going to grab this, I'm going to hit Embed, and you can either embed it by the in full code, the HTML, or embed link for supported platforms. And you can click here for more, and it'll let you know which supported platforms will work with this. So you can read the full list there. So I'm going to grab actually the HTML embed code. I'm going to copy that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it onto my website. I'm going to do it. Yes, that's me. Okay. So I'm going to just edit, and then I'm going to, right underneath this image, I'm going to scroll to my code. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to paste the code I just pasted from Canva. Now, you will see that image is embedded into my website. I'm actually going to add a spacer just to make this a little smaller. So here's my embedded image. And when I hit done here, you're going to see that this name down here corresponds to the name of the file in Canva, which is got it. So you can always change that and it'll update automatically. And basically here's that file, and it will have a Canva logo on it because obviously they want to promote their own site. So Do I necessarily use this on my website unless it's a video? If I decide to make a video and create it in Canva, then for sure I will definitely use this because it takes up less space. And if you don't have a YouTube channel where you can upload it to YouTube and then add it onto your website, then this is a perfect way to bypass that kind of sort of. But this also works if your email user, your email platform supports code. So I'm going to go into my campaigns. So because I use MailChimp as my email platform, I'm going to go ahead and add a code here. And you're going to see that it's going to do basically the same thing it did on my Squarespace website. So I'm just going to scroll to the bottom of this one that I had already previously sent out. I'm going to grab the code. I'm going to drop it wherever I need to drop it. And MailChimp does advise you, if you're not an expert, to not use this section. But this is very, very simple. Anyone can really do this. You hit save and close, and then you'll see that my code, my image has been embedded into this website. Now, when I send this out, people can play this in their email platforms. So why is this beneficial? Again, because sometimes you may have something that you may want to show yourself, show your video, show anything of yours, and you want it to go ahead and show up here. So I'm going to show you or do another one where you may have a video of yourself, maybe sending a message to your email newsletter, right? So we're going to change the size of this, make this just a tad bit smaller. Let's do 600 by 300. Okay, so let's say that looks just a little bit smaller for you. You may want to change the background to something that matches your brand. And let's just say you go into the elements and you pick a computer one. Let's just say this. So it looks like you are talking to your ideal client through the newsletter. I like the laptop look better. That's just my preference. Let's just do blue for the heck of it. So I'm going to drop a video here. So I have uploaded some videos right in here into my platform, but I'm going to show you this chick doing this, whatever she's doing. I'm going to drop that in there. So now she's like, oh, da, da, da. Let's do some text. Let's do wow, right? So if you have like a product or something that's coming up and you're kind of talking about it, you may want to do something like that. Again, for the sake of this video, this is not to be cute. This is just to show you how you can do this on Canva. So let's do that. And then of course she plays, and you can cut this image wherever you want by hitting the scissors, and then you can change the image. You can crop it. It can be as long as you want. I think this particular video is 8.2 seconds, or you can leave it as is. So now again, we want to take that same code. We're going to hit on the three dots. We are going to see all, scroll down to the embed section. I always miss it, but there it goes. Same message that you'll get it. You'll hit copy. And then let's say you want to add that to your email campaign. You're going to do the same thing we did before. We hit save and close, and there goes your video. So if you, like I said, if you're sending a message and you want this to be their video or whatever it is that you're recording, you can do that. You can do this with audiogram. So you can really, really get creative with it as long as you have a platform that allows you to embed code. And really, that's it. That's that simple to do. And I'm going to show you just one more thing that you can do as well. So again, if you have a video, you can import your video, but let's just say you wanted to make an image with sound. You would do the same thing. You would upload your sound into the image, or if you just want a generic sound from Canva, you can just go ahead and drop it in there. It's going to tell you how long this audio lasts. Ooh, okay, great. So you can change the timing of this. It can be 6 seconds of that. It'll auto default to 5 seconds, 5 to 6 seconds, but you can change the timing of this here. You can add it up to 30 seconds, and that would be your audio. So if you're using this as an audiogram, where you have like a video of yourself or a video of something that's going on, you can upload it to Canva by uploading media, finding your MP3 file or your WAV file, whatever file that you want, upload it, and once you have it, If it's an audio, it'll show up in the audio section. If it's a video, obviously it'll show up in the video section and so forth. And then you can add that file. And now you can add the same thing again. If you're sending it as a snippet of your podcast, you can enter that code and have it right in your email instead of just on social media. You can do the same thing again and add it to your website. Now, since I changed this image to a sound, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you update it. So this is what this is currently looking like, right? So it matches exactly what we have here. But now I'm going to change the background to blue. I'm going to keep these people, but I'm going to make them bigger. I'm going to take this off because it's annoying me. Let's just pick any other element that looks cool here. Let's do a jiffy. Let's do laughing. And this is how you would look for a jiffy without a background. So this is exactly how you do it. You just have to enter the word sticker after it. So let's just say we get this guy going. We keep this. We can add that guy there too, right? So now what Canva does is automatically saves it as a draft. And once you go into your website or wherever you have that image embedded, it takes a little bit sometimes. You would have to refresh. And now here's the image with everything that we have just added automatically refreshed and the music. That's it. And that's how you use the embed function in Canva to add images to your website or your email campaigns. So again, that was quick, simple, super easy, to the point. I hope that you enjoy that. If you want to see more like that, more Canva tutorials, let me know. I have like a lot up my sleeve, so just let me know in the comments below. As always, please like this video, share it for someone that needs to know the ins and outs of Canva. You can always find my playlist for the Teching You Out series down below. I do vlog every other Tuesday, so you can see that, what a day in the life or the week in the life, because I usually do like a week because my day is not that exciting. So you can leave that down below. You can follow me also over on my Instagram. I'm gonna have that linked as well. And as always, if you need to contact me for any tech related issues, or you want to set up a tech audit session or anything like that, my information is always below as well. Please continue to support my channel. Again, give it a like, a thumbs up, share it please. It helps me out, helps the algorithm obviously. And if you like to buy me a coffee, please do so. I always leave it in every single video of mine. This just supports my channel to make more content for you, to bring you more things like that, more tutorials, more techie things to elevate your business. So see you next Tuesday.
Take it easy. You gotta take it easy. Gotta take it easy with Khloé.